Imagine your client says, I want to see our top 5 issued subcategories or based on your data, maybe top 5 products or customers. And the client also wants to quickly switch and see the bottom 5 issues or products or customers so that they can find the emerging trends, maybe top versus bottom comparisons. Usually, this would require two different reports, one for top and the other for the bottom selections. Today, I will show you how to build this report page that has visuals and it has an underlying dynamic top-bottom engine. I have used combination of a numeric parameter and a simple top-bottom table and some DAX to make this bar chart and card visual react instantly to any ranking request. Please watch this video to the end, and in under 5 minutes, you'll learn many important concepts. The setup is simple. I have created this top-bottom table with 2 rows. Values are top and bottom, and a sort order column. I have used enter data as shown on the screen. And also I have added a what if parameter. It is a numeric parameter. A range of values are from 1 to 20. As shown here, go to modeling tab, drop down, select numeric parameter. By default, a slicer will be added to the report page as well. And important to remember that these two tables are disconnected as they don't have any relationship to our data. We use them purely as switches to tell our DAX what to do. Next, I will show you the 3 measures. First one is a rank filter. Let's walk through the rank filter measure. This calculation is the engine behind our dynamic top or bottom N views. We start by capturing 2 user inputs. First, the variable selected N, which is a numeric value from our parameter slider. And second variable is the direction, which tells the measure whether the user wants to see the top performers or bottom performers. Moving to step 1, we define our table of interest. We create a variable called issue subcategory with complaints. By using all selected, we ensure the ranking respects any external filters like date or anything else, while ignoring internal row context. We also add a filter to include only subcategories with at least 1 complaint, ensuring we don't waste resources ranking empty data points. Step 2 is the core of the measure, the current rank. We use a switch function to determine how to apply the rank function based on the user's choice. If top is selected, we rank the number of complaints in descending order. If bottom is selected, we switch to ascending order. Notice we are using dense ranking here. This means if 2 categories tie for first place, the next category is ranked second, not third. We have also added a secondary sort by the subcategory name itself to act as a tiebreaker, ensuring our list remains stable and predictable. Finally, in the step 3, the measure returns a simple 1 or 0. If the rank of a specific row falls between 1 and our user selected N, it gets a 1. Otherwise, it gets a 0. By dragging this measure into the filters pane of a visual and setting it to 1, the chart will automatically update to show exactly the top or bottom categories the user requested. We are going to do it in the visual level filter. And this is the next measure. And to make the card visual match the chart, we use SUMX. It iterates through our categories, but only sums the complaints where our rank filter is exactly equal to 1. And this is the total complaints. And we've also created another measure, which is called as a dynamic title measure. So take a second and look at the code. It's pretty simple, easy to understand. And this title measure, it's a simple text string that combines the month, the top bottom selection, and the N value. This ensures the user always knows exactly what slice of date they are viewing. So that is important that we have added to the title as shown here. Go to title and click on FX and add this field value. And this is the final report page as shown. I've selected a table visual. As you can see, these are the values which have been passed to the table visual. And I've also added a visual level filter, and I've dragged the rank filter here and selected 1 and applied the filter so that it will reflect based on the user selections. And these are the 2 card visuals. The values have been added to them. These are the 2 values which have been added to the card visuals, and there is a slicer. Month year is coming from the calendar table, and we have 2 slicers up top, and also you have the selection number of products you want to look at, the top or bottom. So it's pretty cool. As you can see, this is a professional interactive ranking report that handles top and bottom, and analysis is done in one view. And this line by line approach ensures the DAX is not just working, but it is optimized for users' needs. So this is pretty cool, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.